this video, I will show you how to check bank statement on Royal Bank app. So for that, first of all, make sure you download the Royal Bank ClearSpend app. From that, simply open it. Here, put in your email address, your password, and then log into your account, or you can use a Face ID, fingerprint, whatever it is into your device. Once you log in, tap on More written in the bottom right corner. After that, find Service section, then tap on Statements. There, pick the account you want to check, as in your checking account or your saving account. After that, tap on Statement. Once you tap on it, you can choose to open it as a PDF file. Then you can zoom in, save, print, or share the file if it needed. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.